Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to install the AI render for your iClone 8.6, the CC 4.6 and also the CC 5. Right, the Character Creator 4.6 and Character Creator 5. So for three of these, I'm going to show you all the step by step. It is really simple to install the AI render. So you can just go to my video description, click the link. It is going to lead you to this site. Just need to scroll down and download the plugin for CC5, CC 4.6 and iClone 8.6. Just download as a zip folder, as a zip file, then just extract it. Now I already done everything. You can see the AI render for CC4, the AI render for CC5 and also the AI render for iClone 8. At the same time, I already installed the iClone 8.6 in my computer, the CC 4.6 and also the CC 5 as well. Already installed. Then next, it is really simple. Just install it one by one for all these plugins. Just double click it. Then you can just skip for this. Just go into this one. Then you should be able to see a setup. Just double click it. Just click yes. So now I already run the setup. This is just the version 1.01 for CC4, the AI render plugin. And later I'm going to install all as well for CC5 and also the iClone 8. The installation process is really simple. Just click next, next, next until finish. It is going to just finish everything. This is the AI render plugin for CC4. It almost finished, you can see. Right now, for the AI render plugin for CC4, it's already done. I just finished it. Alright, so wait for a while until it disappears. It may take some time for this box to disappear. At this moment, you are unable to have another installation. Right now, done. Already done for CC4 AI render plugin installation. Next is the CC5. Go into this one, setup, choose yes. Do the same way, just install for CC5. The addition of the Character Creator installed in your computer will not use the data in this plugin. You don't need to install this plugin. And the plugin installation will be terminated. Alright, so for this case, because of my CC5 is the trial version, the trial version is not supported maybe. Alright, it's okay. Then next is the iClone 8. So I'm going to close this. Go for the iClone 8. Double click for the installation. So no, not this. This is the patch. We don't need this patch because I already have the latest versions of the iClone 8.6, so we don't need the patch. We just go into this one and just set up. Click yes. Then I click next. Next, just next. Everything will be really easy. Finish, done. So now actually, when I open the iClone 8, just have a look. iClone 8.6. Alright, done. You can see, as long as you can see the AI render is set here, that means you already successfully installed it. Next, just click OK for this. If this is the first time, then click OK. We have to just click launch here. The local, launch it, connecting to the server, and just wait for this command prompt until it finish. You have to wait for everything until it finish. Now you can see some words that appears here. Now this is the first time it starts. You have to make sure do not close this command prompt. That's all. At here, you have to always see, is it connecting to the server or already connected or not connected. So you have to just compare these two, just open together until you can see some indicator at here. Alright, finally you can see successfully connected to something here. That means you're already done. Once you've done this step, you can just close it. Alright, before that, I need to remind you that this command prompt, you have to just maintain it at here. Do not close it, just let it be here. At here, the config UI, just make sure everything in store. Just take everything, make everything in store so that when you are going to render, no need to install it again. Just install everything. Let's say now I remove all. Deleting models cannot be undone, so this one do not proceed. Just make sure you install everything until finish. Make everything tick. So everything. Then scroll up, you have to make sure you already connect your computer to the internet. Just click install and just be patient. Let it install one by one until all finished install. That's all. Alright, now as long as if you scroll down, all already installed, that means all already finished install. So next, just close this. So for whatever, if you press the AI render, everything will be ready. You can see all of these models are ready, and you can render as the AI. Just choose whatever you want. Right, then what about the CC4? I'm going to start the CC4. Character creator 4. It's already installed. Maybe I just need to just open from here. The CC 4.6. Just check it. Now the CC4 character creator 4 is opening. Now you can see the AI render. The AI render is here. This is CC4. If I click it, just connect it and launch it. You see, successfully connected. Just because of just now, the command prompt, I still open it. I not close it yet. So now it can directly connect. So close it. Click again the AI render. You can see now the AI render is ready. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to install the AI render for your iClone 8, iClone 8 and the CC4 and also the CC5. Unfortunately, for the trial version, the CC5, it is not compatible with the AI render yet. So if you have the full version, it will be okay. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!